Howdy everyone, this is Graham with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Houston Apartments. Hey, we're at the gorgeous one bedroom, two bath model. This is at the Residences La Colombe door. And we've looked at the kitchen and the living room and the flex space. Now we're gonna go look at the bedroom. The bedroom is just delightful. This is truly a delight. It's floor to ceiling windows. A beautiful space. You're just feeling the amount of square feet in here. You're not being skimped in any way. This is a king bed. You've got a lot of space here on the king bed, and you've got just a beautiful off-white color for the walls. Everything's crisp, clear, and just gorgeous. I love the built-in that's here too. That's gorgeous. And then here is the bathroom. The bathroom has a huge mirror, and then it's got these dual sinks. That look really gorgeous. I also love the tub here. This is a very massive tub, and this walk-in shower is delightful too. Hey, we walk into the closet. You've got a lot of space, beautiful amount of space in here, and a lot of shelves in here. So this is just a gorgeous feel. Hey, beautiful bed, beautiful bath, and it fits into this beautiful apartment. Hey, if you have questions about what you're seeing, or even better, if you'd like to take a virtual or live tour, send me a text. I'll set that up as early as today. And you can send that text anytime, no matter if it's 2 a.m., whatever the time is, Houston time, you can send it anyway. I'll respond super quick. That's my direct number below.